What is up, guys? It's Fixin' Family here, and today we are going to be doing a battery replacement on this iPhone 7 Plus. So yeah, guys, I got this iPhone 7 Plus here. This is my buddy's Electric Galaxies. If you don't know who that is, I'll go ahead and leave his channel up in the corner right now. Go check him out. Go give him a sub, and yeah, let's go ahead and let's get started. So this phone needs a brand new battery super badly. His is at around 50%, which is really awful. So we have the brand new replacement battery here, and we have a seal to seal it all up when we're done. So let's go ahead and let's get started. We'll take out the two bottom penelope screws. All right, now that we got that off, we'll go ahead and open up the phone. All right, we get the phone open. The battery surprisingly looks like it's not even bulging, which is very surprising. There is some stress marks on it, but that's nothing to worry about. So let's go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and take off the screen. All right, now that we got the screen off, let's go ahead and let's get started on removing the battery. All right, so let's go ahead and let's take out the Taptic engine. It will make it a whole lot easier to get these pull tabs out. All right, let's go ahead and let's remove these pull tabs. All right, and I somehow did that perfectly. So here's our old battery. It is slightly bulged, but it's not terrible at all. Let's go ahead and let's place in our brand new battery. All right, we have our brand new battery right here. Let's go ahead and take it out of the package. All right, we'll go ahead and peel the adhesive backs up. move this, plug it in, and push it down. We can go ahead and unplug it, just so we can keep working on the repair. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's start putting it all back together. Alright, there we go. We're going to go ahead and throw on the new seal. Alright, there we go. The new seal is now on. So let's go ahead and put the screen back on. Alright, everything's plugged in. We're going to go ahead and test it real quick. Alright, there we go. Battery health is now back at 100%. So let's go ahead and finish up this phone. Alright, let's finish this up. Go ahead and unplug the battery. And we'll put the final brackets back on. Alright, there we go. Go ahead and power it on and put the two bottom pentalobe screws back in. And we're done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. Also subscribe if you're new. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much to Electric Galaxy. I'll leave his link down in the description below and on the screen right now. But yeah guys, that's it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.